Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're plunging into something really foundational for cybersecurity, privileged access management. You might hear it called PAM.
That's right.
Think of it like the ultimate digital gatekeeper. We're going to unpack how this tech tackles some really tricky security challenges.
Absolutely. And our goal today really is to pull out the key insights
Yeah.
from the material we've looked at. We want to show not just what PAM does, but, why it's so important.
Why it matters.
Yeah, why it matters for the business, for your security posture.
Yeah.
It's definitely more than just tech. It's about control,
Yeah.
trust, resilience, really.
It's interesting. When you think digital security, most people jump to firewalls, maybe antivirus.
The usual suspects.
Right. But what about the actual keys to your digital kingdom, those super powerful admin accounts? What happens when, those keys are shared or maybe just forgotten about? Or worse, used for some kind of backdoor access?
Yeah, that's exactly where PM comes in.
So where does it start? What are the first big vulnerabilities PAM goes after?
Well, it's a huge one. Think about shared admin passwords. We've all heard horror stories, maybe even seen things like password 123 used for really critical systems.
Oh, definitely. Or just one password shared across the whole team.
Exactly. How do you track who did what then? PAM hits this head on. It gets rid of shared credentials, period.
How?
It enforces unique passwords for everyone. And these passwords, they're vaulted, hidden away, and rotated automatically. Users often never even see the real password.
Ah, okay. So it boosts accountability because every action ties back to one specific person.
Precisely. Audits become way simpler. And for that backdoor access worry, PAM uses things like session monitoring, detailed logging, and really strict least privilege rules.
Meaning people only get the access they absolutely need.
Just what they need when they need it. It flags suspicious activity. A huge chunk of data breaches involve compromised privileged accounts. So PAM is tackling the primary way attackers get in deep.
Makes sense. So it helps stop those big, scary breaches. But it sounds like PAM also helps with the more day-to-day operational stuff, the headaches.
It definitely does. Think about the delays, the admin time wasted on manually approving every little access request. It piles up.
Yeah, I can imagine. Or those hidden risks. You mentioned service account sprawl.
Right. Those accounts that applications use to talk to each other. Sometimes they're set up and forgotten. Same with old SSH keys lying around direct access lines into servers.
Just sitting there, like unlocked doors.
Exactly. Massive blind spots. PAM cleans this up too. It uses automated workflows for access requests, often with multi-factor authentication, MFA, and just-in-time approvals.
Just in time, so access is temporary.
Yeah, granted only when needed, for only as long as needed. Cuts down admin work, speeds things up. Plus, PAM tools can discover all those forgotten service accounts and SSH keys.
Oh, interesting. It finds them.
Finds them, inventories them, puts controls around them, rotates their credentials automatically. It's like digital tidying up, gets rid of those blind spots, stops that kind of quiet, persistent, unauthorized access.
So it's organizing things, making life easier for the IT folks too, not just blocking attacks. Okay, one more area, the really high-stakes stuff. Compliance and emergencies.
For sure.
How does PAM help organizations meet regulations like NIST or PCI DSS for payment cards or SOX? They all need super detailed audit trails, right?
They do, and PAM is critical here. It enforces access policies consistently, keeps incredibly detailed logs of who accessed what, when, and why, and can generate reports specifically for those compliance standards.
So it helps avoid fines and builds trust.
Absolutely. Avoids fines, improves security, and shows customers and partners you're serious about protection. And then there's the break glass scenario.
Right, the emergency access. What if something breaks and you need admin rights now? How do you do that securely?
PM provides a controlled way. It's a formal process for temporary emergency privileged access. The credentials issued are time-limited, maybe only valid for an hour or two.
And it's all logged.
Every second is logged. Often the whole session is recorded. So you get the emergency access you need for operational resilience, but it's fully audited and controlled. No uncontrolled power grabs.
Got it. So wrapping this up, it's clear PAM isn't, just another tool in the security shed. It feels much more strategic.
It really is. It's about fundamentally reducing your attack surface, minimizing insider threats, making sure you're compliant, and doing all that without actually slowing the business down.
Boosting efficiency even.
Right. Ultimately, it enhances trust. Trust with your customers, your stakeholders. It shows you have control.
So here's something to think about. In this digital world, having privileged access is like holding the ultimate power. How sure are you really about who holds that power in your organization and how they're actually using it?